Guys, now time AI is game changer. So as you can see here, this it is digital painting. So even you can make such kind of drawing by yourself by using AI. So this is my original photo, and this it is AI. So guys, I'm going to teach you step by step in how you can make such kind of picture. It's very simple. First step, you need to have an idea which kind of drawing you wish to draw in a digital. So first of all, for me, I like this one. So I opened Pinterest and then I searched drawing. I found this image. I like most this image. So what to do, I'm going to download this image as a sample or my sample image. After that, I save it on my desktop. So I save it on desktop, and then I'm going to open this website. This it is imageprompt.org/image to prompt. So what to do, I'm going to upload my image in order to get a prompt, or in order to get a description of my image. So I click at here, upload, and then I'm open desktop, and then I upload this picture. So after to upload the picture, the image is already uploaded. So after to upload, I'm going here, generate a prompt. So I generate the prompt. So after to generate a prompt, I'm going to generate my own image to be like this one. So it's very simple, and on this channel I'm going to teach you more various trick about AI. So I copy this prompt and then I open another AI website. This one, this it is Whisk. So if you open search Google lab.whisk, it open like this one. So as you can see here, this it is Whisk AI. So you need to sign up for new email, and good enough, on this AI website it's free. So I put down on description the link of this website. So maybe you click here. So what to do, you need to upload your image. So for example, let me delete this one. This it is some of my picture that I use to generate most. So if you want to add your own picture, you click here at a plus. So the empty box it appear below for subject. So you click and upload image, and then you upload image that you wish to generate into such kind of picture. So maybe let me check another image here on driver D. Maybe come on, let me see, maybe here. Okay, maybe this one, so I open this one. So this is another my image. So did you remember, we first we have an idea on Pinterest. We have an idea of this picture, and then second we have this one to generate a picture to prompt. So I copy this prompt, and third one we have this website. So on this website we upload the picture, sample of pictures that we want a digital art. But let me give you something very important. If you want exactly the style of picture that you have, or you have an idea of somebody picture, you click here at style, and then you click upload. You upload the sample of picture that you wish to have. Maybe this one, I click there this one. So I click this as a sample style picture, and then this one is a picture that I want to generate to be in drawing art style. So I paste in the prompt here, I generate, I click generate. But good enough, on this website it generates 2 image per each generation. Guys, when I'm telling you it's free, this it is free. So it don't take time, you generate and then you see the result. So bad enough, they generate exactly on this on this is picture style. So what to do if you want exactly face on subject? Let's see, untick on style, then click on generate. Let us wait to see. They can generate exactly what we're looking for. Wow, guys, imagine. So this is such kind of picture that I wish to have. It looks similar on me. As you can see, guys, this one, the image is this one, and this one, it's a drawing. Guys, imagine, most of people, they really love match. So maybe you want to generate another image, this one. You click over there, and then you untick this one. Let us see. And then you want to change your signature. My name is Jimmy, so maybe let me change this one and write Jimmy, the signature Jimmy, and then generate again. Guys, imagine. So it's a simple step, and most of people, they tell you, oh, to draw a picture is some price. Guys, it's very simple. As you can see here, let me download this one, and you'll say, oh guy, it looks the same. Let me download this picture, this one, also this one, maybe, and this one. So guys, let's see. So this is my first image, and this one, it is generated image, sorry. So this one, it is first one, and this one, it is generated. This one, it's generated image, and this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. So as you can see, it looks similar as me. So guys, it's very simple, and this is how most of artists, they make your picture, and they tell you, oh, we draw, and we draw your picture for high amount of money. And most of people, they draw a picture with high amount of money. So guys, you're most welcome. Maybe you learned something on this video. If this video is helpful, please share my video, like my video, comment on my video to support me. I'll give you more trick, more tips in how you can use AI as a side hustle and start making money online. So you're most welcome. My name is Jimmy, and this is my official name. So if you have any question about maybe new idea, I'll tell you and how you can solve your problem. But good enough is you to join me, to subscribe on my YouTube channel, to like my videos, to share my videos, even to comment. This is big support to me. See you guys next time. My name is Jimmy, and this is my YouTube channel.